So this represents a real evolution in external storage technology. The T7 for me is one of the most exciting products this year at CES. It has increased the speeds dramatically from the T5. You're getting almost twice the read and write speed. You're getting 1050 MBS on the read. You're getting 1000 on the write. And on top of that, you get fingerprint protection, fingerprint security, and then underneath that, you're protected by AES 256-bit encryption. So what this means is you can carry this device anywhere, no matter what is on it, and trust that all of your data is secure. It is the most exciting and most innovative form here at, as far as external storage goes at CES. You can tell it's been recognized. The T7 is a winner of the Innovation Award this year, and it speaks for itself. It is the size of a stack of credit cards, and it's just absolutely incredible. It's one of the most exciting things that we have this year.
So when is this product actually launching?
So this will be available January 21st. And so I think that everybody should be as equally as excited as I am. I think it's incredible. So very, very soon this will be available.
Now, do you guys have a price point set on this product?
We don't have any information yet. However, like I said, this product will launch January 21st, so I'm sure more information will be coming soon.
Alright guys, so this is what I was excited about the whole day, the Samsung T7. The T7, you already heard the details from Fletcher last time, but all I want to say is that I am really turned on just because of the protection on it. So it has a finger ID where you can actually encrypt your drive, and this is, I think, is one of those drives which will be super protected, and that is what I'm totally excited about. It's going to be available in Best Buys, Amazon, and all around in the US. So super excited. Keep an eye on this drive because this is totally required for people like us who makes videos and everything, and so that we can quickly upload and encrypt all our footages and everything. Thank you. Thank you a lot. Welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. We are here in the Samsung booth today, checking out the new Galaxy Book S. Now, Windows platform, it's super thin. Look how thin it is, and look at the size of this. It's like that perfect book of 2020. Doesn't take a lot of space at all in your backpack, to be very frank. There are cool features that they have added. It's an LTE version, which means that you can pop a SIM card in it, and you can use like a Verizon, AT&T, or Sprint. 5G capable, which means that you can run 5G, LTE, 5G in the beginning and everything. I think T-Mobile right now is just doing 5G. When Verizon comes up, you can actually buy that. Also on this side, they do have a USB-C port and another USB-C port out here. Interesting thing is that the speakers are located at the bottom. They are carved right on the sides of out here. So at these two sides, you will see the speakers, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing else. Now, the Galaxy Book S, you guys might be thinking, is it a 2-in-1? No, it's not a 2-in-1, so it extends all the way back like this. They do have a fingerprint sensor. Now, the thing is that you might be asking, so how is this getting a whooping 24 to 25 hours of battery life? Well, it's getting that battery life just because it's running Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor. Now, it's a mobile platform processor, which means that speeds can be varying up to 2.8 and everything. For the amount of cores and amount of this thing, will go to Task Manager, and we are going to check out in Task Manager really quick for you guys. And in performance, we're going to see that it's an octa-core with a base speed of 2.8. Your RAM is going to be around about 8 gigs. I don't know whether it's going to be expandable or not, probably not. Now, Qualcomm has been making small chipsets for Lenovo's and also other companies, but this time we see Samsung making an impeccable design on this new Galaxy Book S, and it's super thin. Now, we are covering the whole Samsung booth, so this is just something that we found on their computer section. We'll be quickly moving on to the phones and SSDs and other stuff. So that's all from the computer section. They do have a Chromebook version of this in a red color. We are going to do some B-rolls about that. And let's move to another section of Samsung experience. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter again. From Galaxy Book S, we just came to this booth to meet my friend, Holmes. Everything out here. He's a very nice guy. His name is Mario. Mario, what we have out here today?
So this is our Galaxy Fold today. So with the Galaxy Fold, it comes with 2 screens. Our main screen is a 4.6-inch display. So let's say if by chance you want to watch one of your videos, so all we have you search your own video.
Look at the screen.
So the main screen is for single-hand usage. So one of the best benefits I find it for, maybe when I just want to use it with one hand, maybe I'm driving and texting, something you shouldn't be doing, but it works.
I mean, isn't this is how the world should be?
I doubt it. We're moving forward.
Look at that. I finally can hold my phone in a hand. Oh my God. Where has technology come to, right?
Well, let's say if you want to share that content with someone else, the moment you open it, it has that app continuity. So the 12 gigs of RAM make it super fluid, so you have no issues when you're transitioning to one another.
Wow. Look at this. Looks amazing. I just want to buy this to watch my own videos. That's all.
What's great about our Galaxy Fold as well is it comes with 6 cameras. So I'll show them to you right now. This shows your opinions matter. So with the 6 cameras, you get the 2 front-facing cameras on the main screen. Give it a close for me. Got one on the front screen, so you're not missing anything. And then when you flip it around, you get the 3 cameras on the back, which are our telephoto, our regular camera, and the ultra one. So open it up for me. They don't tell us what it is. So let's say if you're trying to do an ultra wide real quick, and I know you love taking pictures.
Oh yeah.
What's great about this too is the 10 times zoom. So let's say when you're in telephoto, get a 1.
Alrighty, thank you Mario, thank you a lot for showing this in the channel. No, but why are you taking the phone away? The phone's supposed to be with us.